Yo, what's up guys? Today I will show you how I made $654 trading the Nasdaq. I made this all in 10 minutes. It was just beautiful longs after a whole bearish day. Obviously a big weak opening gap if you saw the charts. I'm gonna get straight to the charts to show you how I traded. So, coming into the day, I saw the London session was a lot of chopping around. Asia session was obviously beautiful, just selling to the downside straight up. I heard Trump did something because Trump did something like the tariffs or something over the weekend. That's why such a big drop happened. But I don't want to spread fake news. I just heard it on TikTok, and obviously TikTok is not a trustable platform. And yeah, the first thing we just see is this big weak opening gap, which obviously is a very good draw on liquidity, and not even liquidity. It's just a very good draw for the price to go, because market doesn't like these gaps in the market. As like fair value gaps, they're gonna get filled eventually. I didn't go for it 100% because I seen a lot of bearish action on Asia session. London session was chopping around, but was more likely bearish as well. And then I just saw these London lows, mark them out, London highs obviously, mark out the liquidity points. There was no Asia lows, and then we just swept market open, we sweep London lows. Then yes, takes a bit longer, but I was pretty confident so we would probably just make a sweep and then flip. And yeah, that's what happened today. It was beautiful. 5 minute. I marked out this inverse, this fair value gap, this bearish fair value gap, waited for the inverse of it, and then just entered straight at the inverse. My 1.5 risk to reward was hit immediately in like 10 minutes. So yeah, today was beautiful, even though it was a bank holiday, even though it was Martin Luther King Day and the markets are closing earlier. If I see a good setup, and it's a setup at least, I will take it, because I don't know, I'm just pretty confident in my strategy. And I mean, there is losing days. Don't forget that. So there is losing days. In order to achieve higher highs, you need lower lows. So there is losing days. It's just important I don't get emotional again, because I think that's actually the only thing that is holding me back, is literally just my emotions not controlling when I lose a trade. And which is pretty annoying, because I know what I'm doing wrong, but I still can't control it. So yeah, today was beautiful price action. Honestly, I didn't think, like, zero drawdown. I didn't think it would move up that much. When I saw it struggling here, it was a bearish 50-minute fair value gap here, which I didn't see at the time. I went into the trade and then looked at the higher time frame, which is pretty dumb for the psychology again, because then you might be a little scared and over manage the position, like go break even too early, or move your take profit area. But I saw this beautiful, nice sell side liquidity up here, which are pretty much equal highs as well. And then ES also didn't have equal highs, but it was just obvious draw on liquidity today. And I'm just hoping that this weak opening gap is gonna get filled so Nasdaq can go up again, because I don't really like seeing bearish price action. Yeah, so that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna put my link for the Discord in the description if you want to talk about trading or want to find out more about my strategy. I'm still unprofitable, just so you know. So if my strategy doesn't work out for you, first of all, don't say it's a scam, obviously. Second of all, it's my strategy. That's what I find useful. That's what I see that works for me. It's just my emotions that I struggle with that keep me unprofitable. But I think 2026, I can really lock in to manage my emotions and just find out that I am a profitable trader, and just know that I know what I'm doing. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Write a comment if you want to see something else in these trade recaps, and then I see you at the next time.